Well, quality is key to everything that we do at Prevena Health. We strive to deliver the very best care to our patients and residents. And the vision for our organization is that we want to be known for our clinical and service excellence. So everything we do, we strive to improve, and we strive to make sure that the services that we deliver to our patients and residents are the very best. Being recognized by the Lincoln Foundation for Performance Excellence and receiving the Bronze Award was really a terrific recognition for our board, for our management and physicians and staff, for the hard work that they do every day to improve the care that we give to patients and residents.
I'm most proud that our staff are committed to quality and that we give the very best patient care. Both Joint Commission has surveyed us and the state has surveyed us, and they always comment on what high-quality patient care is delivered in Prevena Home Care.
What drives quality in this organization is the leadership's commitment to excellence. It is our emphasis on ensuring that we have the right culture, that we have the right people, that we're making the right investments, and that we have the right care and processes. So that the combination of all those things is what really drives quality and quality improvements in the organization.
We select only the best employees. We have peer interviewing, and we want a person who wants to be on our team and knows the quality that we demand as a home care agency. And moving forward with that, our employees are very proud of our high quality.
At Prevena Health, we will always be on a journey of excellence. We will always be striving to improve. Our work really will never be done because we will always have things that we can do to improve our care to our patients and residents. So it is a continuous journey, and one that we are committed to, and it's inherent in our mission and certainly our values and in the vision of where we want to go as an organization. We want to be known for our clinical and service excellence.